So we are entering Module 3. Module 3 consists of week 5 and 6. So week 5 is where we are focusing on lifespan development, and week 6 would be personality. Week 5 entails understanding the developmental psychology field of study and stages of development and various processes and dimensions within. And we'll also be looking at developmental issues, specifically 3 of them, including nature versus nurture debate. So this would be about lifespan development, just a brief overview, and a bit of applications there. And personality is for week 6. So psychoanalytic and psychodynamic theories, various theories including trait theory and other preliminary theories of psychology will be studied here. In addition to just theories of personality, we will be looking at various assessments that the personality theorists and personality psychologists use in the field to understand different personality types and personality traits. And that those assessments are the ones that you can even try to do it yourself or do it with your loved ones, so that you get a first-hand experience of it. Most of those are free. Those are available online readings that you have. I have included some of the links where you can find these personality assessments, so make sure you look at those. All right, so I also wanted to include a little bit about what are a few things that you need to remember for Module 3. Know that you have to do the readings. Remember, I include a lot of readings, I'm aware of that, but know that it's always, I include the word suggested. Suggested means the more you do, the better it is, but you are not required, so I don't want you to feel overwhelmed because there are so much that I have, so many links I have in the readings, but I would encourage you to watch as much as you can during your week and listen to the talks and the videos that you can get a hand. I mean, something that is of interest to you. Make sure you read and comment on those and write a blog following your reading. So which I have included a blogging instruction document right below the readings. So those instructions will tell you what you have to blog on. So make sure you first read that before you start writing your reflective blog, which is your reading blog. So here I'm asking you to do this. One of the ways that we can actually make your blog search easier is including labels. When you include a label with a hashtag reading blog, I think every time and the label would come up in the bottom of your blog. So every time you click on the label, it will take you to all the blogs that have that label. So which means all your reading blogs would come together in a thread. Where once you're done with all the blogs this semester, it will be easier to sort out your blogs based on which set it is. Is it an experiential task or is it your reading blog? So use reading blog hashtag for your content blogging. Use task hashtag. I forgot to include it here, but you can just include hashtag task, TASK. If you do that for your experiential task blog, that will make it easier for you and for me too. And make sure that after you do both your task and your reading blogs, blog post in the Blogger website, make sure that you include the link. I know some of you are still not getting used to it, but I really encourage you to do it immediately right after you have the links on. You have it published in Blogger. You take the link and put it in the Canvas assignments. You can always go and update it. It won't change the link. So remember, even if once you have the draft, you can go and include the link and keep updating your blog post, and that is completely fine for me. And remember, if you are submitting late, I'm taking points. So make sure that you do include the link without fail. Okay, so you will do that for both the experiential task and for reading blog, and you comment on your peers' blog. Some of you are forgetting to do that too. Remember to blog, take the quiz that says, yes, I've completed. And I have some more instructions here. One of the things that relate to the comments is I know some of you, I saw a few categories here. Some of you have not done 4, but have said you have. Remember that this is a quiz where I trust you, but I also look at it. So you just cannot make it up, all right? I want you to make sure that you do at least 4. I know that some of you have just done 1 for the module 1, and I really hope you kickstart with module 2 and at least comment on 4 of your peers' blogs, all right? And very shortly you will receive an email if you have not done the blog but have completed the quiz stating that you've done it. Some of you have not taken the quiz, blogger comments quiz at all. You will not be given points if you are just commenting in the blog but not completing the quiz. You will not be getting points. Remember that you need to do in Canvas for the grade. You have to complete the quiz. All right, so, and some of you are sending me the links of your blog posts. You don't have to do that. Just do complete the blog, publish it, add the link to the Canvas. You don't have to email me every time. And the other one would be remember to complete the extra credit task. It's important for those who are in class in the C section to make up for your absence. You have to complete the makeup task or the extra credit task for the week. And for those in both the sections where you are either losing points, you know that you have not done a good job, or you have late submission, make sure that you are doing the makeup task for that week. All right, so this is what I have. This is what I have for now. If there are any other questions, email me, and waiting to see what you guys have for your blog.